A messy inbox isn't just overwhelming, it's costing you time and opportunities. Maybe you miss an important client email, buried under a pile of newsletters, or maybe you just spend an hour reading and replying to things that don't just move your business forward. Or maybe you just distracted all day because inbox keeps pulling you back. In well, if you can't control your inbox is going to control you. That's why in this video I am going to show how to put your inbox management in autopilot using the right strategy and AI powered automation tool so that you can focus on the email that matter right now. To do this, we are going to follow the inbox zero methodology, which helps to keep your inbox so as close to zero as possible at all times. Yes, this can be done, and no, I am not going to ask you to shift through hundreds of emails and currently sitting in your inbox. We are just going to build a tool that's going to do it all for you. So we are going to use these three tools to make this AI inbox agent. First is Gmail, second one is n8n, and third one is the Google Gemini. So instead of Gmail, if your Outlook account still you can use it. Some of the changes might be there, but yeah, you can use it. And this n8n, it's a no-code platform. It's where we build a whole system, whole AI agent workflow. And also currently I'm using the paid version of it, but if you want to use the free version, means if you want to run the n8n in the local, still you can use. I have already make a video on how to run n8n in local. And the third one is Google Gemini. Instead of Gemini, you can use other APIs also, like OpenAI, Claude, and also Open Router. All this API you can use. Basically we connect n8n with Gemini and Cloud. So hey, this is an n8n dashboard. As you can see, I just given the name AI inbox agent, and add first step is there. So basically, what we have to do at the first step. So whenever our email come in the inbox, so we have to grab that email. Okay. So when the email come, this AI agent or this n8n node will automatically get triggered. So for this, what we have to do, we have to click on it and then just right here email. Okay, so as you can see the first option, and on message received. Okay, so whenever we receive a message, this node or this AI agent will get triggered. Okay, so now you have to add your Gmail account. So you can edit, means you have to give client ID and client secret, and then you can simply add this. Okay, so close it. Since I already added my account, and now these are some of the features. So in every minute, every day, this pull happens. Okay, so message received. So this is our first node, as you can see. Now let's do and let's push one email. Okay, so I'm just giving one email. Okay, and subject would be, I have make I have made one Google sheet where all the email examples are there. Okay, for these levels. Okay, so we take for these four levels for our agent AI inbox agent. Okay, so customer support, finance, billing, high priority, and promotions. Okay. Okay, now let's take the subject. Oh, wait, yeah, let's take a subject, and so this is subject and body. So this is the body. Okay, as you can see, now I am hitting enter. So yeah, I hit enter, and now let's run this email whether we're able to grab that mail or not. Okay, let for a while. Yeah, let's run it. Yeah, this is executed successfully, and as you can see, I guess this is the another mail. Let's fetch it again. Okay, now we have successfully got our email. So this is the snippet, as you can see, same. Okay, uh, yeah, hi team. This is the snippet. So we have successfully grabbed that email. Now let's pin it out. Okay, in the next step what we have to do, we have to label this mail, means and before labeling we have to first classify this mail, whether it is from customer support, whether it is from finance billing, but it is from higher priority, but it's from promotion. Okay, so we have to do that. And before that, first let's label all the, means add a label. So I successfully added all these four labels in my Gmail. So customer support, finance billing, high priority, promotion, these are the labels I have added. Okay, now click on, you have to click on this add option, and then just type here text classifier. Yeah, there is option. Okay, now we have to classify text, okay, based on the subject and body. That would be great. Based on this we have to classify text, and we have to add the categories here. Okay, so these are the four categories we have. Okay, so as you can see, label. So let's add categories here. So customer support will be our first category, and this is the definition, you can see. Okay, so yeah, that's how we have to add a category. So the second category is finance and billing, and this is the description for it. Okay, let's say third and fourth. So third is yeah, high priority mail category, and then description. And the fourth one is promotion. Okay, so promotion, and this is the definition. Okay, so we have successfully added all four categories. Now we have to classify the email based on subjects. Let's pull this up. Okay, so subject. Okay, make it to expression. But let me cross it down and right here only. Expression is there. So as you can see, now we have to find it out subject. Where the subject, as you can see, subject. Okay, so just click on it and then just paste it here. Okay, now body. We have to classify the email based on these two things we have. Okay, so this is the snippet. This is our body. Okay, so we have made the classifier successfully. One more thing added, as you can see, there is an error, means we have to add the model. What it says, now not connected to the required input, means model. Okay, so this model, what the model do, model is help to classify the email, means we use a Gemini. Okay, we will use Gemini here, as I already told you. So that's how you have to connect your Gemini account. You have to put up your API key, and then you have successfully connected. Okay, and these are many models available. Currently, we are using 2.5 Flash. Okay, so this is how I successfully attached the model. Okay, now this model will help in the to classify the email. Okay, now let's run it. We are able to do it or not. It's running, as you can see, executing node. Yeah, and successfully we have classified the email. So the email is of category customer support branch, as you can see. Okay, that's good. Now in the next step, what we have to do, we have to add a label. Okay, means so we have successfully classified the email. It's of customer support category. Now we have to label it. Okay, in the email. So how to do it? You have to click on this plus and then just write email. Okay, and now a lot of options are available. Okay, like add label to message, date a message, get a message, get many messages. All the options are available. Create a label, this is add label to thread, and all these messages are available. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to add label to message. Okay, now Gmail account is successfully connected. Resource, we have message. Okay, and add label. So we have to add label, operation is add label, and message ID. So this is our message ID. And label, you have to select, okay, which label to give. So customer support will be there. Yeah, these are customer support. Okay. So successfully we have given the label as a customer support, okay, to this mail. Okay, cool. Now that's how we have to do for all four. Okay, and so let's do for finance and billing also. So it's a same process. Okay, email, add label to message. Okay, and then we have to grab the message id, so we can easily grab from here. Okay, and then we have to find whether finance billing is, so finance and billing is here. Okay, now let's do for high priority. So email, add a message id is this, and let's find it out where the high priority is. Okay, cool. Now, see, as you can see, let me organize this. So this first, second, this is third, and this fourth promotion. So this is our message ID, and it's a promotion. Cool. Now let me show you what are the descriptions that I use to classify these things for customer support. Let's read it out. So email request, help, troubleshooting, or let's make it bigger. Email request help, troubleshooting, or guidance for a product or service. Usually describe issues like login errors, bugs, or main function features. Common keywords: error, issue, problem, help, access, support, fix, reset, and troubleshoot. Okay, so this is the description that I use to classify the mail. Okay, so yeah, it is done now. Yeah, now let's jump toward the next part of this AI agent, AI inbox agent. So in the first phase, we grab that email, okay, and in the second phase we classify that email. In the third phase, we have made label of the email. Okay, based on the four categories we have: customer support, finance, app rating, promotion. Now, after in the fourth phase, what we do, we have to perform some actions like mark as read or draft email, send a reply. All these things we have to do. Okay, for the customer support, what we do, we make an email. Okay, and then we just give the reply. Okay, to make an email, first you have to click in the plus add, and then you have to write AI agent. Okay, it's there. As you can see, now you have to choose define below, because it's not a triggered, it is not a triggered node. Okay, trigger node is already there, which is email. Now you have to give the prompt system. Basically, this AI agent, what it does is actually means it actually make email content for us. Okay, for customer support that we have to reply. Okay, so we give two things. Okay, so body first, body, let's switch to expression. Body first, where is our body? Here it is. Okay, this is our body. Now subject, where is your subject? Yeah, it is. Okay, now based on these two, we have to give instructions like how to make that email. Okay, now since I already made the prompt for it. Okay, so as you can see, support, and then this is the prompt made up with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, you can also do it. This is the prompt. As you can see, you are a Gorang's AI assistant and expert, friendly and professional customer support representative for AI automation agency. Your role, and we are defining role here, respond clearly, concisely, and helpfully to members' question. Always maintain a warm, approachable tone that reflects Gorang Partner's brand and community values. Provide accurate information about AI automation agency, program challenges, and community roles. If you do not know the answer of the query, requires Goran right input, politely tell to reach out to this mail. Okay, and just sign off with Goran's AI assistant. Okay, so just use the chat model. Okay, since we are using Gemini, so let's use Gemini here also. We are using 2.5. We can use any other model if you want. Okay, so let's push forward. Okay, we are using Gemini chat model, and okay, so this will generate email content for us. Okay, now what we have to do next, we have to reply of that mail. Okay, so this is our mail. As you can see, this is our mail we get. Now we have to reply this. So again, you have to write your email. Okay, and then we have to reply it. Okay, so as you can see, we have to search for reply, where it is, a reply to a message. As you can see. Okay, so email account request already connected, and then a message reply message id we have to give all this. So first of all, let's run it out. Okay, so let's run this. It's classifying tests, and then it's making email content for us. Okay, I guess it's done. So this is the email content, and now we have to reply this. Okay, so message id. So this is from here we can get a message id, and our reply or email type is text. Okay, and then message we have to give. Okay, so the message we're getting from the AI agent. Okay, means it is the email content. Okay, it is the email content. Wait, okay. Yeah, now what we have to do, yeah, it's already done. One other thing, we have to close this one. Cool, it's done. Okay, now let's just test it out. So email is successfully sent. Now let's check. So we are in the customer support branch, and yeah, as you can see the reply. Okay, hi there. I'm sorry to hear you are having trouble logging into dashboard and seeing that invalid credential error. Okay, you can definitely be frustrating for security reasons. So these are the reasons. Okay, and we are signing up with Gorang's AI still. Okay, so it's working perfectly. Okay, now this is our first category. Now same thing we will do with the second. So here we are at finance. This is done. So again, for finance what we have to do means we can make a custom email text also. Okay, so let's write email. Okay, and then you can say reply to mail. Okay, reply to message, and message id by doing the same. Okay, message id here. Okay, and then text. Then let's write our custom message. So I already have the prompt. Okay, so expression, and then just what we can do, let's big. Okay, so yeah, we can write it. Okay, hey billing team, we received your new billing inquiry. So like this we can write it. Okay, okay, so what we have to do now, let's compose a new mail. Okay, let's compose an email to Gorang Patidar, and as you can see, I already prepared subject. So subject is this. Okay, and this is the description of body. You can say. Okay, now I'm just sending it out. Okay, email is sent successfully. Now we have to fetch it from here. Okay, so let's run it out. Let's able to fetch it or not. Why? Yeah, okay, we can successfully, yeah, got one email. Okay, cool. Now let's run this, whether we are able to classify into finance and billing category or not. Okay, we successfully classify. As we can see, one item is there. Okay, now we have to label it. Cool, we have successfully labeled it. Now see the finance billing part. Yeah, as you can see, okay, we are successfully labeled in the finance billing part. Cool, now we have to reply to this message. So this is our prompt. We have received a billing inquiry where we can write here like from, we are successfully billing inquiry from this guy. Okay, and the subject. Okay, and the subject is this. Okay, yeah, it's done. Okay, now let me just hit it. Okay, so as you can see, let me refresh it. Yeah, okay. Hey, billing team, we have received a billing inquiry from this guy, and this is a subject. Okay, so we're also working fine. Now moving toward the high priority one. So again we have to do same as customer support. I'm just clicking out, and you have to write it AI agent, and just choose define below. We have to give prompt. Prompt would be same just like the this AI agent. We have to give body and subject. So let's we can you can also copy it. Okay, so this body and subject. Okay, this will be direct. Okay, we have to again choose a model. We are using Gemini. Good. Okay, and for this higher priority also, I have prompt for it. Okay, so this is the prompt. Wait, this is the prompt. Yeah, this is the prompt. Okay, so it's a high priority. You are a Mr. Domesday. Given the name. Okay, it's Domesday. Okay, Domesday. Okay, cool. An expert but brutally honest and a rude customer support representative for AI automation agency. These are the agent role, and he just sign in with the Mr. Dom. Okay, so this is our high priority category. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just reply it. Just like the customer support. First, we have to write email, and then find it out where the reply to message. Okay, let's run it out first. So what we can do, just compose one new mail of high priority. So let's compose new mail. Okay, so to the same guy Gaurang Patidar, and this is the subject. Okay, subject, and then this is output. Okay, I'm just sending it out. The email got successfully sent. Now let's wait and whether it is fetching it or not. Wait, okay, it will take time because it says every minute. Okay, so in every minute, email go this email node will trigger. So just wait for it. Okay, for the promotion, what we have to do? The promotion are nothing useless. It's useless. The promotion emails are very useless. Okay, we don't have to do anything with it. Okay, so just write email there. Okay, and just mark as read. Okay, we will mark as read those emails. Okay, cool. So let's grab again. Able to fetch or not? Yeah, it is fetching. Okay, now let me run the full workflow. Okay, here we are getting error. Delete this. Now I'm running the full workflow, and let's check whether it is prioritizing on high priority mail or not. Yeah, it is. Yeah, now as you can see, let's click, let's write email, and then just we have to reply to message. As you can see, this is our output, so we can easily get email or message ID from here, and our email type is text, and as you can see, body is this, message is this. Okay, now at the end we have to close this. Yeah, this is also done. At the last part we have to for promotion mails we have to mark as read. So email, and then mark as read is, yeah. Okay, so let's take message ID. Okay, and it will be marked as read. So that's cool. Okay, this is the end of the our email inbox agent. Okay, so this will classify all your emails. Okay, and also performs actions. So for the customer support, it will give a reply based on your prompt, and for the finance also it will give a reply for the higher priority also, and for promotion it will just mark as read. Okay. So if you guys just follow along everything I did, so this is your AI inbox agent. So literally you can automate all your email, and see a lot of customizing things you can do. Like here you can add your customer support data, and also see here if you want to update this data in your CRM, whether it's Slack, okay, or Salesforce CRM, okay, if you have, okay, if you are using Asana project management tool, okay, you can update all this data in all these tools. Okay. One more thing to tell you, like if you really want to use this tool without a checking or without hitting this execute workflow, then you have to click on this, or you can say you have to active this workflow. Okay, so and it says your workflow will be regularly check email for events and trigger execution for them. The execution will not show up immediately in the editor, but you can see them execution list if you close the end of executions. Okay. So this will show in the execution list. This will show in the execution list. Okay, if it's get triggered. So you have to click on this. You have to activate this workflow. And yeah, that's all from my side for today. And if you want this prompt sheet and also JSON file of this template or this AI agent, just mail me on gorangpadida2003 @gmail.com. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.